If you want to cancel your ChatGPT Plus subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can cancel it quickly and avoid any confusion. We'll start inside ChatGPT, go through the settings, find your account management options, and then complete the cancellation. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to ChatGPT and sign in to the account that has the Plus subscription you want to cancel. Once you're on the main page, look down to the bottom left corner where your profile is displayed. Click on your profile icon or profile name to open the account menu. This is where most of the important account options are located, so don't rush this part. After you click your profile, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your ChatGPT account, where you can manage your profile, preferences, and subscription details. If you don't see it right away, make sure you click the correct profile on the lower left. Now inside Settings, look for the Account section. Click on Account and then find the Manage option. This is the area where subscription controls are usually available. If you are signed into the wrong account, this is the point where you may notice the subscription options are missing, so double check that you're using the same account that was billed for ChatGPT Plus. Once you're in the Account Management area, you should see the option to Cancel Subscription. Click that button to begin the cancellation process. ChatGPT may ask you to confirm that you really want to cancel, and sometimes it may show you a message about what happens after cancellation, such as losing access to Plus features at the end of the billing period. Read those prompts carefully before confirming. After you confirm the cancellation, your subscription will be marked for cancellation, and you should no longer be charged on the next billing cycle. In many cases, you will keep access to Plus features until the current paid period ends, so if you cancel today, you may still have access for the remainder of the month or billing term. If you want to make sure everything worked, go back to your account or subscription page and verify that the status now shows as canceled or will not renew. That's always a good final check, especially if you want to avoid unexpected charges later. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel your ChatGPT Plus subscription in just a few steps. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now you can do it yourself anytime you need to. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more ChatGPT guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.